Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your resolution not supported at this time on a TikTok application. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. And now, for example, let's say that if you're trying to post a content on a TikTok account, you're unable to post it because of your resolution. So TikTok only supports up to 1080p, which is 1080p pixel, and it does not support a video resolution that is above 2K or 4K. So if you're unable to post a content because of your resolution, which basically means that your video resolution is above 1080p. In order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to download a third-party application on your device. So for that, open up your Play Store, and after that, on the search box, type in CapCut. You can use any other video editing application as well, but for this video, I'm gonna go with the CapCut. Now, once you're done installing the application, tap on Open. You'll need to maximize the resolution to 1080p. So for that, click on New Project, and then select the content that you want to post it on your TikTok. Now, once you do this, you need to click on Add, and then you'll be taken to the editing page. So you can see right on top there is 2K/4K, which is the video resolution. So this was the reason why you were unable to post the content on your TikTok account. So you need to maximize it to 1080p. Once you've done that, click on this arrow icon in the top right, and after that the changes will be saved, and then you'll be able to upload the content. So that is how you can fix your TikTok video resolution not supported at this time issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.